Yeah, I had a patient that came in actually from one of the centers in Texas, one of the full arch centers that had a lower full arch done, and then they were prepping the upper arch to do that, and she was charged a fee, and she came to me because she was having problems and couldn't get back to Texas and needed pain medication. So I started managing her, and she liked our office so much that she ended up just transferring everything over and never went back to that Texas center. And she was wondering why she didn't know about us doing it, and a lot of it was she was embarrassed and thought that nobody did it in Baton Rouge. But the thing that I remember was her complimenting our office on the quality of service, the honesty, because I pointed out things on her X-ray that the other doctors didn't point out at that other center, and she was actually charged for things that they didn't even do.